So good evening, participants, and welcome to the valedictory session of the Atal FDP on drug discovery and design in 21st century. And I take this opportunity now. It's been a week actually with all of you to introduce or like formally introduce our head, Professor Sonika Bhatnagar, who is chairing this session. So Professor Sonika Bhatnagar is currently head of the Department of Biological Sciences and Engineering at NSUT. She did her PhD and postdoctoral studies from Department of Biophysics, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. She has been involved in the development of this department since the very beginning, since 2002, and she is the one among the other faculty member who have actually created the whole department with respect to the syllabus, infrastructure, in fact, everything in and out of this department. She has put a brick in every sort of work. She has more than 2 decades of post-PhD experience and 15 years of teaching experience. She has carried out international consultancy assignments and was also awarded Innocentive Solver Award for shortlisting of 5 top therapeutics of obesity in 2003. Her work lies in the area of systems biology, structural study of protein-protein interactions as novel drug targets, and she has collaborations with pioneers in the field, as you must have seen during the FDP itself, where she has collaborated with top-notch scientists of the country to look for various drug discovery projects. So with this, I invite Professor Sonika Bhatnagar to chair the valedictory session. Welcome, ma'am.
For your kind words, Dr. Yatendra. So I'll first give a brief about what was the thought process behind this FDP. So I have had, I think, the enormous good fortune of coming from Department of Biophysics, AIIMS, which is doing work in the drug discovery area. My training is in structural biology. Then even later, actually, when I came to NSUT, I continued my work in drug targets. And there is still a lot of work going on in my lab in drug targets, as well as drugs, repurposing of drugs, new structure-based drug design, different kinds of approaches and computational techniques we apply to this. And when I see the way that the field has gone over the past 20-25 years, I see that there are many hurdles to the pipeline of drug discovery, which we encounter at every stage. We encounter these hurdles. So the thought process behind was this. इतने सारे different diverse disciplines इसमें involved होते हैं drug discovery में. So let's take a look at the whole pipeline from the beginning, from say basic structural research and structural biology down to drug design, delivery and approval process. From every angle, we have tried to take a look at the drug discovery process. And honestly, the people that I called for the program were not people whom I just knew that they were working in the area. These are people that I have collaborated with, worked under, worked simultaneously with. We met at different conferences, exchanged notes, talked over things. So these are actually my friends whom you saw during the FDP. These are people who have contributed to the development of the field, to the development of department, to my own research. And I thought that this will be a good chance to get everybody together and have them speak in a very interesting and genuine way to discuss that what are our problems and how do we intend to tackle them. So the idea was to, initiate a conversation and to discuss where we are facing these problems and where we need to put in our efforts anew. So you have heard from many people about this. The whole thing would be really incomplete if I do not say that I conceptualized this, yes, but most of the execution was done by Dr. Yatendra. So he himself works in vaccine design and is a very bright young scientist from the department. So he has put in a lot of effort and he has brought together this whole thing. There are a lot of formalities involved at every step, every stage, but he has been able to do it successfully. And congratulations are due to him, and very well done. Congratulations also to the behind the scene members जो हमारे department के इसमें लगे हुए हैं. Some who attended our sessions, but some who helped in the background. So Dr. Shilpa, Dr. Akanksha, Ajay, Ajay Kataria, all of these our faculty members have been very actively helping us at different area steps of the thing. So I think that is it from me. And it is time for us to ask you, the participants, कि आपको इससे क्या हासिल हुआ ये FDP attend करके. We hope you gained something, and we would like you to tell us what is the take-home message that you have taken from our discussions, and if you enjoyed anything, yes. If you have any suggestions, most welcome. And we would like to make this an yearly occasion in the department. हम organize करेंगे, and ये introductory workshop थी जिसमें हम बहुत ही broadly इस topic को देख रहे थे, but specific areas में one by one very specific areas में concentrate करके उनको elaborate करेंगे future में. So that's it for me.
Thank you, ma'am, for kind words. And now I invite participants for their feedback or suggestions, like what else we could have done to make it more successful.
We should also ask what they gained from this, if
true.
any.
Yes.
What did they take home message? What did they learn, if anything, about the drug discovery process? Some of the best brains of India and the world have spoken. So we should ask this.
Yeah, so you can put on your videos and like even your audios. So it will be, we would like to have it a more interactive session.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Very nice. Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, you are audible. Yeah, go ahead.
So, very nice lecture were there. I'm Masud Behra, sir. So specifically, I like Professor B. Jayaram lecture, then your Professor Sujata Sharma lecture and Professor GPS Raghav lecture, because that was, and one more faculty from DGCSIR, that Sekhar Mande, it was not held, but these are the areas where I supposed to look. So these are fantastically, I like it and learn a lot of things from this lecture because they have shared their practical experience. But I missed one thing, that the hands-on workshop. You got my point. Always I used to type hands-on, because FDP mean the teachers must do learn something new. I believe that was my eagerness actually. So that I missed. Whenever you do know, it is my suggestion and request that first half has to be that theory part, because theory is the build-up. That's fine, because some of our new students or new faculties are there, but it should be some hands-on training, like PhD work on that research paper, that so he must show that part, because we are eager to learn that one. You got my point, or else the past 3 days I was excited. Oh, I have learned a lot of things. Next why you have not seen my comments, because these are out of my syllabus. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we'll take your suggestions into consideration next time. हम इस बार भी वो रखना चाहते थे hands on, but we felt that it's already 4.5 to 5 hours of speaking and interaction. So probably इस बार नहीं कर पाए because online mode में थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है बहुत देर तक कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठे रहना. But we
Is it mandatory only 5 days, madam? Only 5 days. You can't extend that to more than that, as per AICT.
Yeah, as
this
per
format did us to do that, but we will do it on our own. Now that we know there are people out there like you who are so interested and enthusiastic, we would like to do it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hello, I'm audible?
you are audible, Dr. Amin. Yeah, you are audible. Please go
Yeah,
ahead.
good evening, and thank you to NSCUT team for organizing this. So hats off to you, all of you, for such a wonderful session. Personally, what I learned is that there's so much information is there. I sometimes like I am already did my PhD postdoc also, but still feel like that I so much things has to be learned. And when you're listening to some of the pioneers, they're sharing their 10 years, 15 years of experience. So this gives me a direction. And I like the video of Dr. Bhatnagar for the hepatitis one. Like he basically used all the parameters and then how he experienced his story that he came up with his sell his technology. So that was very wonderful experience for me. As per the suggestion which I would suggest, like as
Dr. Amin, can you be
one
louder?
of
Your voice
the
is not
member
audible
like
to us.
the speaker. Okay, is it now audible
Yeah, it's
or is
audible
still
now.
low?
Yeah, it's audible now.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm saying that some of the speakers, if they could have shown us or demonstrated for few moments like how it is working, so that would could have been more useful. That is my humble suggestion to the thing. But as I said, it's actually driving me to learn more. That there are so much information is there, and what could be the approach? Where are the different areas which you can look in? So thank you to all the team members, and thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Nalini.
Yeah, it would be nice like if candidates raise their hand and then we'll make a like systematic manner so that other like what will happen like 2-3 people will start together, it will be difficult. So it's
Yeah.
better you raise your hand and accordingly we'll just ask the participants to speak up.
If you have any questions, etc., also you can raise those. We'll try our best to answer.
One more thing I want to add regarding that Professor Bhatnagar. Really, I have saw such a person that who has given one technology and practically he has experience that how he faced what are the challenges. It's really awesome, madam. So this kind of person, if you bring and give us the talk, no, it gives us motivation. Really, I think. I mean, whenever you are working, no, you might be failure, but it does not matter. But how to commercialize that one? I mean, it's amazing. Really, it's fantastic, madam. Because I have attended a lot of seminar and conferences, but I have never saw this kind of talk from Professor Bhatnagar. Really, it was a huge motivating. Thank you, madam.
That's great.
Any other suggestion or like want to share something?
Can I say something, sir?
Yeah, sure, Harshita, Dr.
Sure.
Harshita. Yeah, go ahead,
Yeah.
please.
Yeah. I actually belong to a pharmaceutical field, and basically I belong to pharmacology. And when I went through all the sessions those were conducted, I was really agitated, and I'm now actually, you can say, really interested to enter into drug designing. Like now living and doing the experiments on the animals. Now I wish that now I want to after this FDP, I'm going to learn.
Your voice is not audible, Dr.
One more
Harshita.
compliment I want to add to the speakers we had was wonderful. I think I have attended 3 or 4 FDPs till date, till now, but I have never seen such a wonderful panel of speakers. So the speakers were wonderful, ma'am, and I'm really delighted that I was part of this FDP, that I got an opportunity to listen to such a wonderful speakers. They were really, really, really very nice. And the next compliment is to Dr. Yatin. He is a wonderful coordinator. He coordinated every participant, and the messages he thrown to us through the WhatsApp, and even he's such a humble person. You are a very good host, sir. Thank you very much that you coordinated us so well. And I wish that I'll be also in future, I'll be part of other FDPs and other programs that will be hosted by you. Thank you very much that you provided us an opportunity to be part of this FDP. Thank you so much.
We would love to have you back, Dr. Harshita. We like such enthusiastic participants too.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
So, ma'am, I need to.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Can I say something?
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yeah, good afternoon, Dr. Jagdish. Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Yeah, I am Dr. J.C. Bose from Chandigarh University. So I can't resist myself to share my feedback, even though I am driving. So the workshop which was conducted was really fantastic. And especially, I appreciate the work of Dr. Bhatnagar, how the technology transformation into a commercialization. So that was really excellent, and it is a really inspiring story. And whatever the resource persons, they have shared their experiences, really this is very inspiring for our budding scientists as well as the faculty members. And next time I would like to have this kind of same workshops in so hands-on practical mode. And only one request from my side, so if it will be very, very better if you share the PowerPoint so for all the resource persons with the participants. And thank you very much. It's well organized and so well maintained.
Dr. Jagdish, I have already shared like whatever PPTs I could get from the resource person, they are already available with you on the WhatsApp group. Maybe I think you overlooked. You can always go through the WhatsApp group details and you will find.
Yeah, once I will check it, sir. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Dhirudatta Sena. Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Please go ahead.
So, first of all, thank you for organizing such a nice faculty development program. And the speakers are also really good, specifically the senior and pioneer speakers. But one of my suggestions, since first time I am attending this kind of seminar in India, so is it possible to organize like specifically on the cancer, so that this will help to, if I say that like my research field, it will be really helpful. So in future, if the cancer and this kind of pioneer scientists who are working in India, and so that we'll be happy to listen and we'll learn something from them.
I know that there are scientists working in cancer, but none of our own faculty members have an interest in cancer per se. So we are mostly working with the anti-infectives, and I'm working with cardiovascular diseases also. But none of us really has, an interest in the area of cancer. And these kind of programs, they are best done when they are in the interest area of at least one of the faculty members, so that we know what the field and how to call them.
Okay, thank you.
That's why we try to concentrate on the whole field and on techniques rather than on a specific disease. But later on, if any people join who have an interest in cancer, we'll definitely take up your suggestion.
Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome. So I see a lot of messages saying, make it longer, make more hands-on, and I'm very happy to see this kind of a response.
So I think if there are no more suggestions, so I take this opportunity first to thank AICT for giving us this opportunity to conduct this Atal FDP. And like this FDP has been, you can say, like brainchild of Professor Sonika Bhatnagar, as she herself is a pioneer in this field, and the credit goes to her to get the top-notch scientists working in the field on this platform within a week itself. So I think that is what makes this FDP a really special one, because whosoever has looked at the list of panels, he give a pat on to us that how in the world you got such people within a short duration time and like speaking together for 5 days. So I think hats off to Professor Sonika Bhatnagar. If
You
there
too.
are
I
no
think
more
you've done a
questions,
very
I think we can conclude the session, ma'am. Maybe concluding remarks from your side.
no. I think I've spoken enough.
So
Candidates
I should also
also.
thank the participants, like because they have been really interactive, and I think mentioned in the initial session also. Communication is only successful when it is a two-way. One-way communication will not lead to a fruitful result. So I think that purpose has been solved with this FDP, and participants must have gained and learned certain new things in the field of drug discovery and design, and especially under the current circumstances which world is facing. This title or like the of FDP couldn't have been more apt actually. So thank you everyone for your cooperation, and I just want to make sure you people please fill up the feedback form which is available in your portal, that Atal login portal which you have. Kindly fill up that, only then your certificates will be issued. Otherwise, it will be difficult for the Atal IT cell to issue the certificates. Unless feedback form is filled, you will not be able to get the certificate, provided you have scored 60% of the marks in the test. So thank you all.
Thanks a lot, everyone. And we hope that next time we meet and we do something more interesting together.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much.